Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Jaybird Run buds. First of all, we have to open the Jaybird application and we have to go for the current presets. That's the sound equalizer. When you open it, you can find a few presets. You can also customize them. So for example, if you want to set manual preset for this, click edit, and here you can manually manipulate this equalizer setup. If you want to save it, you can do this by tapping right here in the right up corner. Here you can save this preset as a new. You can also add the description, and by tapping here you can also upload your favorite photo. To confirm, just tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see, that's our new preset. If you want to delete any of them, you can just simply create, just tap right here. Okay, never mind. Let's skip this part, but we have to just click in this right upper corner where we can click on the minus and we'll be able to remove the presets. Click down to confirm, and as you can see, that's a simple way to find and adjust sound equalizer of your Jaybird Run buds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.